ACADIA delivers a gas V6 3.6 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 3.6 liters V6, SIDI, DOHC with variable valve timing, VVT 310 horsepower, 231.1 kilowatts, at 6,600 revolutions per minute, 271 pounds-to-foot of torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute, 365.9 Nm, wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer. This GMC ACADIA comes equipped with these options: windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 4 to 17x 7.5, 43.2 cm by 19.1 cm, aluminum, wheel, spare, 18x 4.5, 45.7 cm by 11.4 cm, steel, toolkit, road emergency, tires, P245/65R17 all season, H-rated, blackwall, tire, compact spare, T135/70R18, blackwall, tire pressure monitoring system with tire fill alert. Tire fill alert provides audible alerts outside the vehicle when inflating an under-inflated tire to the recommended tire pressure. Team driver mode, a configurable feature that lets you activate customizable vehicle settings associated with a key fob to encourage safe driving behavior. It can limit certain vehicle features, and it prevents certain safety systems from being turned off. An in-vehicle report gives you information on your team's driving habits and helps you to continue to coach your new driver. Suspension, ride and handling MacPherson struts for front and independent 5-link rear. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. V9T3L3 can get you a trustworthy ACADIA today.